Hai, apa khabar semua? Let's add more words to our Malay vocabulary bank. Today, we will learn words related to clothes. The first word is pakaian. Pakaian or baju. Baju. They mean clothes, clothing, costume, wear. Both words pakaian and baju are interchangeable, but baju is more colloquial and frequently used, while pakaian is more often used in formal writings. Next, observe the following words. Pakaian perempuan. Pakaian lelaki. Pakaian renang. Pakaian sukan. Pakaian tradisional. Pakaian luar. Pakaian dalam. Pakaian harian. As I said before that pakaian and baju are interchangeable. So if you say baju perempuan, it means the same as pakaian perempuan with no change at all in the meaning. Next word is fashion. 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 Next is kain. Kain. Cloth. Kain batik. Kain batik. Batik clothes originated from the island of Java, Indonesia. In Malaysia, some older ladies still wear kain batik as a day wear at home as sarung or somewhat like skirt. Next word is baju kurung. Baju kurung. Traditional costume of Malays and traditionally worn by women. And for Malay men is baju Melayu. Baju Melayu. Next is kemeja. Kemeja. Shirt. T-shirt. T-shirt. Blouse. Blouse. Gaun. Gown. Baju tidur. Pajamas. Singlet. Tank top. Baju kait. Knitwear. Coat. Coat. Jubah or abaya. Jubah lelaki means men's long dress and abaya is for the woman. And both of them is a loose-fitting outer garment of Arab style. Baju hoodie. Hoodie. Baju lengan panjang. Long sleeve shirt or t-shirt. Lengan means arm and panjang means long. Baju lengan pendek. Short sleeve t-shirt or shirt. Skirt panjang. Long skirt. Skirt pendek. Short skirt. Selendang. Shawl or scarf. Tudung. Hijab. Baju dalam or choli. Bra or brassiere. Baju renang. Swimsuit. Seluar. Pants. Seluar jeans. Jeans. Seluar panjang. Long pants. Seluar pendek. Short pants. Seluar dalam. Inner pants or panty. Stocking. Socks. Topi. Hat or cap. Songkok. A cap commonly worn by Muslim males in Southeast Asia. Size. Size. Saiz kecil. Saiz sederhana. Saiz besar. Saiz lebih besar. Saiz paling kecil. Saiz paling besar. Tiada saiz. Saiz kanak-kanak. Saiz orang tua. Phew, what a long list. I hope that this lesson is beneficial for you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa lagi.